Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to walk you through using Google Ads for keyword research. Let's dive in. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Keyword Planner tool. If you don't use the Keyword Planner or don't see it, click on Planning and select it from the drop-down menu. Once in Keyword Planner, choose the option to discover new keywords. Here, you can start by entering a keyword or website URL related to your niche. For example, if you're interested in e-commerce, you might enter Shopify as your keyword. Specify the language and target location, or select all locations for worldwide results. Click on Get Results to generate keyword ideas. You'll see a list of keywords related to your query, along with metrics such as average monthly searches and competition levels. You can also view top-of-page bid estimates to gauge the competitiveness of each keyword. To refine your search further, try entering specific long-tail keywords related to your niche. For example, if you're interested in building a website with Shopify, you might enter "How to build a website with Shopify" as your keyword. Explore the keyword suggestions and metrics provided by Google Ads to identify high-demand keywords with manageable competition levels. This information can help inform your content strategy and advertising campaigns. Utilize the Keyword Planner to conduct in-depth keyword research, exploring related keywords and uncovering valuable insights for your marketing efforts. And that's how you can effectively use Google Ads for keyword research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Hello everyone.